point on the island called Rusty Bucket. It's just filled with a bunch of old metal and concrete scraps from way back in the day. It's all rusting. Here's the ocean now. I'm starting north, and to my left is west. So we'll watch the sunset maybe. There's always lots of Laysan albatross on the island. That's their thing. See one of the areas where there's lots of black-footed albatross. See some nesting right there. If we're lucky, we'll see some black-footed chicks hatching before we leave in a couple weeks. And all the birds, both Laysan and black-footed, like to congregate here because there are these pathways here that lead to the beach. They like to take off, especially when the wind is blowing. So you gotta be careful when you go by them. They will draw blood if they get the chance. So here's the beach. You can see all the structures in concrete there, along there. That's why they call it Rusty Bucket.